How to make a rounded fleece poncho. Visit our website for a free PDF with a measuring chart, information on what you need, fabric recommendations, tips, and step-by-step guides. The link is in the bio. In this video, the poncho that we'll be demonstrating will be a 40-inch poncho for a child. If you would like a poncho of a different size, download our free PDF, which includes our measurement guide. First, cut the fleece into a perfect 40-inch square. Fold the fabric width in half and then fold the fabric length in half to create a smaller square. Mark the neck hole measurement. Mark with pins 20 inches from the folded corner using a measuring tape. Then mark 3 inches from the folded corner using a measuring tape and pins. Cut through all layers around the pins to create a circular look on the bottom of the poncho. And to create the head hole of the poncho, cut out of a contrasting fleece a 20-inch by 6-inch strip. Pin and sew the two 6-inch sides together to create a loop. Make sure to zigzag stitch because fleece stretches. Fold the 6 inches in half, wrong sides together. Pin the raw ends of the looped fleece to the raw ends of the head hole of the poncho and sew together. Congratulations! Your poncho is now complete. Post and share your creation on social media at Fabricland Canada.